Yep, Evan, like you said, southbound on I-235, we're actually heading toward the 10th Street exit. We're seeing pretty snowy conditions, a little bit of accumulation on the roadway. We're taking it easy as we go because it is starting to get a little bit slick. However, the roads, for the most part, are still passable tonight. Like I said, we are starting to see a little bit of ice start to form. It is below 32 degrees. Our dashboard thermometer says 28. Now, as we head toward the downtown OKC area, it's been a very busy day for road crews and also some medical staff on ambulances. I'm told they've seen over double the amount of the usual traffic accidents today. ODOT also told me what to expect going into Friday.
Even if you think you are the absolute best driver in snow and ice, you have to think about the car next to you, and they may be the absolute worst.
Don't drive unless you have to. That's the main message from Adam Paluca of Emergency Medical Services Authority. They operate ambulances in the OKC area. He tells us ambulance crews have responded to 33 traffic accidents and taken 10 patients to the hospital Thursday.
We can't call in sick today. We have to show up. We don't get snow days. We're there responding to the needs of Oklahoma City residents.
And the road situation will be treacherous. ODOT says they have crews working around the clock right now.
We have over 500 crews available for this, and they run in 12-hour shifts. And that is something we do and just continue the process until the storm is over and the roads are clear.
Even though ice wasn't a huge problem during the day, overnight, a different story.
We're very concerned that with the melt today, it's going to refreeze. But we'll continue to treat sand and salt the roads overnight and into the morning hours.
That process will continue even after the snow stops.
We'll continue overnight into the overnight hours as long as the storm is going, and even after it stops. Sometimes we'll have to go back and retreat and prevent refreezing.
Now, as we go southbound here on I-235, I am starting to see a little bit of ice accumulation underneath of overpasses, and I'm also starting to notice some on exit ramps as well. So if you're going to be commuting in the morning to work, go slow, take it easy, and be safe. Live in Oklahoma City, Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.